There is one thing you have to know when you start camping. Before you do your first big trip, big tour, first you have to do one small trip just to see, do you like it, how does it look like, what are you missing, what you don't like, what can be changed, and so on. And yeah, this video is about that, how we started and how our first camping gear, camping setup looked like. Back in 2022, this was our first kitchen and storage area. This is how it looked like, and that time we didn't even have Subaru. We still had our old Renault Megane. That car that time was old, I think 14 years, and Rokas just bought our new Quechua rooftop tent from Decathlon. He had to order it on the website, so we were waiting for it also for some time. And when we got everything, we decided, okay, our first small trip will be a trip to Germany. I don't really remember anymore where exactly in Germany this place was, but I know that it was a rural area full of some small lakes and, let's say, waters, canals or so. It was very close to the Netherlands, so we didn't go far, and yeah, we just wanted to check how it is. And here is what we ate that first day. We had pretty nice lunch, and our first shower looked like that. The night was quite cold, so I was wrapped in a blanket. And the next day we stayed in the same area, but just a different place. It was also nice. We had a nice walk, and on the end we stayed beside some field or so. Next morning the owner came to us. The owner was some farmer, and I was afraid, oh my god, what will happen now? But in the end he was very nice guy. He let us stay to finish our breakfast, and then we will continue driving back home. And a few weeks after that, our first big road trip comes here. So these pictures are from Austria. It was also some place that we found through the application called Park for Night. So in that application you can see where other people stayed, where was like cheap or for free, or what kind of facilities they had there. Was it a toilet or bins, or was it a parking, or just a road or beside the road? Was it quiet or not? And just like some reviews from random people who also used the application and shared their experience, very useful for. And now we are coming to Croatia. We were not alone on this beach. There were more campers, and one of them came to us to ask, is it allowed to stay here? And since I'm Croatian, I confidently say yes, it is. We are also going to stay here. But now when I think I wouldn't do it again. We could get a fine because wild camping is not allowed in Croatia, and if we got the police that night, we would have to move away, and of course we would have to pay some fine. I didn't really know that I am Croatian, yes, but I'm from the other side of Croatia, and that time I didn't check the rules, and I was just very confident that we can sleep wherever we want for free, almost for free. And one of the next nights, just one night, of course. We stayed in this beautiful place. It's in Croatian peninsula called Istria. This is the biggest peninsula in Croatia, and it was wonderful. It was so amazing, so beautiful view. Roka said that for him that's his favorite place in Croatia, and I think he hopes he will go there again. Look at just this photos. I mean this video what Rokas recorded from his drone. It's just like wow. It's a sunny morning. It's still everything is quiet and nice. There was a little bit of wind during the night, but nothing special. And again, we were not alone there. There was one or two more campers, and again I again didn't think about police coming to us and give us some fine. No, that wasn't, absolutely wasn't in my brain. I was there just on holidays. My brain was fully off, and I didn't think about the consequences. On the end, we didn't have the consequences, thanks God. But yeah, still, for the next time, I really have to be better prepared.